If you want to change the call background on a Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we can open the phone app. Now over here, we're gonna tap on these three dots in the upper right corner. They can also be located somewhere below, and go to settings. Now over here in settings, you should be able to find the call background option. Optionally, you will also need to choose the SIM for which you want to change the call background. Now in here we have the preview, and at the bottom we can tap on background in order to change it. You can choose one of these featured images, or you can choose a photo or a picture from your gallery. So you can choose whatever you want to use. And once you find the picture that you want to see, you can sometimes also adjust it by moving left and right and zooming in and zooming out. And then just confirm that you want to set it for the background. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.